subscribe and hit that big fat thumbs up. Today I will be showing you how to make chicken pasta. If you remember, on my YouTube channel I had uploaded a video on how to make one-pot chicken pasta. Today I will be showing you a more detailed version of the same chicken pasta. Come, let's see what all we will need. You will need some chili flakes, chopped garlic, corn, sliced carrots, peeled onions and chopped capsicum. The vegetable platter has no limit while making pasta. You can add other vegetables like broccoli, mushrooms, tomato and spinach. Then you will need some penne pasta boiled, salt as per taste, finely chopped chicken, boneless pieces. I am using a mix of mozzarella and halloumi cheese. If you want, you can use only mozzarella, 2 to 3 spoons of pasta sauce and chicken stock. I have heated the pan with 4 spoons of oil. Now first we will be putting the onions, then some chili flakes, and then the chili flakes and the garlic. And then now we need to mix well. I am mixing it well. Now we will be adding the carrot, the chicken, and around 250 ml of chicken stock. Mix well and close it with a lid for the chicken to get boiled well. I'm going to check if it's boiled, and as you can see, the chicken is nicely boiled. Now I will be adding corn and the capsicum. I forgot to mention in my ingredients list that I will also be adding a glass of full cream milk, and mix well and let cook. Now we can add 2 to 3 spoons of pasta sauce, and we can add the pasta. After adding the pasta, mix well. Now it is boiling and sizzling. Let it boil and sizzle. Now I will be adding half spoon of pepper and salt for taste. And now let it mix. Now we have to mix it nicely. Now I'm going to add the cheese to the pasta. I have added the cheese. Now let me close it and keep it for 2 minutes. Then I will put it in the serving bowl. It's tasting time. Let us taste. It is so mouth-watering. It is very yummy. It is good when it's served hot, and it's good for dinner. Don't forget to try it, like it and share it!